Seeking excellence in teaching is a lifelong process. It's a journey. We can never say enough about the importance of developing ourselves, meeting with colleagues, sharing ideas, learning from each other, and going back and applying some of these learnings. The purpose of this IB Pedagogy workshop has always been to give faculty the opportunity to come together, share experiences, focus on challenges, better understand the students, the contemporary students, better understand the instructional technology, and be exposed to some of the leaders, some of the best practice master teachers, and go back and try to apply them.
But the great value of this International Business Pedagogy workshop is that it brings together the best teachers, best educators from not only around the United States, but in some cases around the world.
The combination of perspectives of peoples, of eminent professors, of masters in teaching, people from the industry, people from the government. It's almost impossible to get all of these people together in a short period of time, and I have to compliment the organizers for this fantastic experience.
I think one of the things that I'm impressed with the most, besides the level of expertise that's at this particular workshop, but is just the staff's ability and willingness to look ahead and make choices that really make a difference. And they may be just small things that they think of. And I'm really impressed with that. And I've been going to this type of conference for about 20 years. And this by far is the best one.
What has been most surprising in the workshop is how open professors and instructors alike have been in using new technological tools in their classroom. For example, ChatGPT. For a lot of universities, they're blocking using this type of technology, but from what I hear in these conversations, professors and instructors are open to using technology.
It's been nice to hear that institutions all over the country, well, all over the world, are experiencing some of the same trends, as well as some of the same challenges, and then seeing those as opportunities for us to grow as individuals, as well as to engage and grow our students.
I'm really interested in generative AI as a tool for teaching and for learning. My students are using it right now. I'm encouraging them to use it. I think there's a lot of, based on conversations with people here, there are a number of perhaps less experienced faculty that are nervous about using it, but they're willing to jump into it and learn how to use AI from a teaching or a development perspective. I consider it a tool that we need to work with and probably champion, which means we have to play with it ourselves, and that's what I'm doing right now.
Sometimes the audience itself is the best teacher because people come with all kinds of ideas and practices that they're doing in the classroom today. And so this is really, hands down, bar none, the best workshop, I would say, in the world for learning about how to teach international business.
Since I have not been here before and I didn't really know what to expect, I was surprised by this incredible quality of the instructors who've been instructing us and their expertise, giving us insights that I didn't even know exist. So that's been definitely a major benefit of attending this conference.
Over the years, I've just wanted to help in order to share my techniques, my tricks, my tips in teaching international business at Indiana University. But I keep coming back because I also learn every time from all of the other presenters.
And one thing that I believe is a lot of times we think we know a lot, but every time we have the chance to see a new perspective, it might give you the chance to reflect and say, well, maybe I can try this, maybe I can do that.
My student audience is mostly working professionals, so they really want the cutting-edge knowledge and information in the topic they learn. And just being bound to a textbook does not take you really far. So this workshop, I think, provides a lot of cutting-edge knowledge, a lot of innovations in the teaching, in the pedagogy, and in the topic you teach. So I also find this workshop very helpful in meeting new people, professors teaching the same topics as I do, and learning from their experience and expertise. So I think it's very helpful in expanding your network and in learning from each other.
I would recommend these sessions for anybody who has been teaching international business for a long time, or has been asked to teach international business only recently, or for somebody who is just a novice instructor and wants to get better at the craft of teaching. I think that all of these sessions will be very valuable.
If you love teaching and are interested in learning about the best practices in teaching, be exposed to like-minded colleagues who are some of the best in the discipline, come and join us next year in the International Business Pedagogy Workshop at Georgia State University CIBER.
I look forward to seeing you here again next year.
I hope to see you here next year.
I hope to see you here next year.
We hope to see you here next year.
I hope to see you next year.
See you here 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 next year.